Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing brakes. The other side went okay. One of the pins was stuck in the caliper, but that one popped out without much to do. So this side's fine. Still should probably measure my calipers, see if I'm technically within the minimum. But we do have this guy. He is stuck right now. So I'm going to have to, I don't have a torch right now, so I'm going to have to find a torch, probably give it, just see if I give it a little heat, but I probably want to rebuild the caliper after that, potentially. So we'll see. I'm going to let it soak with a little PB blaster for a little longer. She's been sitting since December, so I'm a little late to the game. Life's been a little rough lately, but better late than never. So just gotta keep knocking out that side of the front brakes. We got some other work we're gonna be doing. This is just a quick update. Probably should put my sticker on. I want to get into the crankcase here. Do clutch springs, inspect clutch plates. I'm just getting slip at really high RPM. So 8,000 and above. If I'm loaded up pretty high, I'll get a little bit of slip. But no other time. Like I can shift all the way into overdrive at low speed and hammer on the throttle and it doesn't slip. So I don't think it's the plates. So I'm gonna do that. I do have a master rebuild kit actually already, so I might need to order a few more parts to do my brakes. Might as well order some new front hoses. I got some Apex clutch lines. So I'll probably ask them, see if they got that. I got a couple other things, rear tire, gonna do some rear maintenance, rear brakes once I get to that. I was having a little weeping in the rear end, so I'm gonna take that into account. Got the oil seal if I need it for there. Nothing else so far. The gas in there should be good. It's non-ethanol from last season. I even put stable in it still, but I think I'm gonna drain it. Just use that gas in something else. Put fresh stuff with seafoam in this. Carbs were drained, so hopefully she's happy. Otherwise, I got a new set of spark plugs. A couple other things I want to do, but she's coming back. I knew I was going to have to do a few more things before the start of this season. I don't know if I said rear tire, but rear tire. I got a rear tire as well. But a couple cosmetic things. I don't know. I bought one of these. Comment if you think it looks good. It's growing on me. But Victoria's coming back. The weather's not been very good. It's still just kind of gray and rainy up here in Michigan, so temperature's starting to come up though, so that's just a quick update. Quick update on the brakes. Nothing fancy there, just going EBC organics, so. All right. Till next time. Out.